Hi traders, if you are looking for a reliable, regulated and beginner-friendly forex broker, HFM, formerly known as HotForex, might just be the one for you. In today's video, we are going to break down why thousands of traders around the world choose HFM, the different account types HFM offers, and which one is the right fit for your trading style. So let's dive in. So what makes HFM stand out in a crowded world of forex brokers? Global regulation, low spreads and zero commissions, fast execution, a wide range of assets and award-winning support. Whether you're new to the markets or an experienced trader, HFM has something for everyone. Now that you know why HFM is a trusted choice for traders around the world, let's take a closer look at the different trading account types. Whether you are just starting or already trading full-time, HFM has an account tailored for your goals, style and experience level. From cent-based accounts for beginners to pro-level setups with tight spreads and premium conditions. Here's a breakdown of each account and who it's best suited for. Cent account. The Cent account is perfect for absolute beginners who want to trade at a low-risk environment. With deposits and trades measured in cents, it also allows you to practice real market conditions without risking large amounts. It's ideal for new traders or those testing out strategies with micro lots. The Zero account offers ultra-tight spreads starting from 0 pips with a low trading commission. This setup is perfect for scalpers, day traders, for those who rely on precision in fast-moving markets. Best suited for active traders who prioritize tight spreads and accurate order execution. Pro account. The Pro account provides competitive spreads with no commission, making it a strong all-around option for experienced traders. With more flexibility in trading conditions, it's ideal for intermediate to advanced traders who are consistent and want a commission-free structure. The Pro Plus account. The Pro Plus account is a step above the standard Pro, offering tighter spreads and premium conditions. It's designed for serious retail traders or professionals who trade larger volumes and need enhanced performance. Best suited for high volume traders seeking better pricing and stability. The Premium account. The Premium account is designed for those looking for a balance between flexibility and affordability. With access to a wide range of instruments and competitive spreads, it's a great fit for regular retail traders who want solid trading conditions without needing to go pro. Top-up bonus account. This account type is designed to reward your deposits with bonus capital, giving you extra margin to trade with. It's excellent for those who want to maximize their funding power and grow their accounts more aggressively. Best suited for bonus hunters or traders looking for extra leverage through promotions. How to open an account with HFM. Opening an account with HFM is quick and beginner-friendly. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Click on the link down in the description and it will take you straight to this page. Enter your personal information including your name, email, country and mobile number. Then choose a password to secure your account. After you filled in your details, you are going to get a confirmation code sent to your email. Once HFM has confirmed the OTP via your email, you are going to verify your identity. So this is where you're going to type in your first name, last name, gender, country of birth, phone number, date of birth, and then also choose the default account currency of your HFM wallet. So this is going to be ZAR or USD. And then you can just confirm the tick boxes below. So once your details are filled in, you are going to choose your account type and you can start trading. Download the MT4, MT5 platform or log into your HFM credentials and you are ready to go live. Just like that, you are officially an HFM trader.